Sounds of the secret place, a path to intimacy.
Amaamidde mu kifo kino atudde kunaanu londo ye afuga Mukama era wali agolodde omukono gwe laba guvamu amaanyi afuga Mukama era wali.
Many times we come in the presence of God as spectators. We watch whatever's going on but never involved. This is why some feel the presence of God and others don't. I want you to be among those that will not just feel God, but have an experience. So as we worship in this chorus, I want you to open up your innermost place and allow God to encounter you. Your life cannot remain the same after tonight. Would you lift up your hands and sing?
Kino atude kunaanu londo ye afuga Mukama era wali agolode omukono gwe laba guvamu amaanyi afuga Mukama era wali. Atude kunaanu londo ye afuga Mukama era wali agolode omukono gwe laba guvamu amaanyi afuga Mukama era wali. Mukama era wali afoga mukama era wali.
Sounds of the Secret Place, a path to intimacy.
Don't be through with me yet, Lord. Break and mold me thoroughly. Affect my life with your fingerprint as I look to you for life. Affect my life, breath on me as I look to you for life. Affect my life, breath on me. I look to you for Don't be through with me yet, Lord. Break and mold me thoroughly. Affect my life with your fingerprint as I look to you for life. Affect my life, breath on me as I look to you for life. Breath on me as I look to you affect my life. I look to you for life. Breath on me as I look to you for life. Affect my life, breath on me. I look to you for affect my life, breath on me. I look to you for life. Affect my life, breath on me as I look to you for life. Affect my life, breath on me. I look to you for life. Affect my life, breath on me as I look to you for life. Affect my life, breath on me. I look to you for life. Affect my life, breath on me as I look to you for life. Affect my life, breath on me. I look to you for life.
Sounds of the Secret Place, a path to intimacy.
Hide me, your secret place. Keep me me your secret place. My desire is to know you. My desire is to